Hello again, this time SRAM guide unboxing, front and back. Let's open just one because they are pretty same inside probably. I mean the difference is just with the length of the cable. Yeah, you can see it's factory sealed. Let's see this, which is not factory sealed. This one is not factory sealed because I broke accidentally the tape. Okay, so that's the front. Ooh, so what's inside? Inside there's a very long wire and caliper itself. Yeah, you can see 18 millimeters. 4. It's pretty nice. But let me cut this. I need to cut this. But let's see what's inside first. Manual, safety instruction. Okay. What else? Allen key and a few screws. What else? Clamp. Stove. What's this? Okay. And another manual. Let me cut this. So okay, and now there's the brake. IRC version, so it's not the best one, it's a second to the best one. The best one is ultimate version. I have no idea what's the difference. Probably this part will be carbon and those are aluminum. Contact in. Well, there's not much to show on those. Looking good. Let's put them on scale. Let's see how heavy they are. There's my scale right there. Let's put it on 0. And for the rear one is 265 grams. And I think that's it. Of course, I weigh them with this piece of plastic, which is about, how heavy it is? 5 grams. So now you know. Very nice, but pretty heavy brakes. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.